Have you ever felt like your feet had their own intense workout even when you hadn't? Swollen feet can feel like a burden. But don't worry, we're going to use nature's tools to find relief. The symptoms of swollen feet. Hello, lovely people. Swollen feet can ruin your day, whether it's from a long day on your feet or an unexpected illness. But what if the solution was right in your own kitchen? Let's take a stroll through the world of natural remedies together. Epsom salt soak. The soothing bath Epsom salt is more than just a luxurious bath additive. It contains magnesium sulfate, which can relieve muscle aches, reduce inflammation, and reduce puffiness. Fill a tub halfway with warm water, add a generous amount of Epsom salt, stir until dissolved, and relax your feet. This will not only reduce swelling, but it will also provide a much-needed moment of relaxation. Consider it a mini foot spa right in your own home. Elevate and chill. This remedy's simplicity is frequently overlooked. Elevating your feet helps to reduce swelling and improve circulation by utilizing gravity. Allow nature to do its work by lying down comfortably and propping your feet up on pillows. Wrap some ice in a cloth or apply a cold compress to the swollen areas for additional relief. The combination of coolness and elevation can provide immediate relief. Cucumber slices. Natural cooling pads. Cucumbers are more than just a salad ingredient. They're high in antioxidants and flavonoids, which can help with irritation. Their cool, watery content provides immediate relief. Slice a chilled cucumber and apply the slices to the swollen areas. Leave them on for about 15 minutes to enjoy the relaxing sensation. Foot massage. A soft touch. Never underestimate the power of touch to heal. A good foot massage stimulates circulation and aids in the dispersal of accumulated fluids. Massage from the toes up using firm but gentle motions and a little more pressure in swollen areas. A few drops of lavender or eucalyptus essential oil can enhance the experience by providing relaxation as well as anti-inflammatory properties. Hydrate. Hydration, hydration, hydration. Contrary to popular belief, the more water you drink, the less water your body retains. Toxins and excess salts, both of which can contribute to swelling, are flushed out by adequate hydration. Aim for clear urine as a sign of proper hydration. Infusing your water with lemon or cucumber slices can make it more appealing and add a refreshing twist. Tonic water trick. Tonic water contains quinine, which has been shown to reduce swelling in studies. The carbonation can also provide a therapeutic effect. Fill a basin halfway with chilled tonic water and soak your feet for about 20 minutes. It's a fizzy, refreshing remedy that will make your feet happy. Magical magnesium. Magnesium, the magical mineral magnesium deficiency, is a common cause of foot swelling. Magnesium-rich foods such as bananas, avocados, and nuts can help. Consider a magnesium-rich foot lotion or oil for immediate relief. Rubbing it on swollen feet can provide relaxation as well as a visible reduction in puffiness. Wear the right shoes. Your footwear has the power to make or break your foot health. Tight shoes can cause blood vessels to constrict, resulting in swelling. Choose well-fitting, comfortable shoes and consider compression socks if you spend a lot of time on your feet. These socks increase circulation, which aids in the prevention and reduction of swelling. Avoid using too much salt. Salt causes your body to retain more water. Limiting your salt intake can help reduce your risk of swelling over time. Choose fresh, unprocessed foods and keep an eye out for hidden salts in sauces and snacks. Your feet, as well as your overall health, will benefit